If you have the skill set down, guys, and just imagine you trade a $400,000 account, you make 10% on average per month, that's 40 grand, and you get 80% of that, that's 32,000, guys, a month. Show me a normal job where you can make this in a month, guys. Trading, guys, trading is that shit. What's going on, traders? What's up, team? I hope you're all having a wonderful time. It's Rafael back at the charts again with another banger, guys. I want to talk about the trades that I took yesterday, guys. I took 2 trades and I shared all of them in my free Telegram channel. So if you're new here to this channel, if you're not inside my free Telegram channel, make sure to check the link in the description below and join the free Telegram channel, all right? Yeah, if you need my help, you can drop me a private message on Telegram as well. This is the only way you can reach out to me. Please be very careful. Some scammers are in the comment section trying to get you into WhatsApp or send you different links to their Telegram chat, but it's not me, guys. They're just using my content to rip people off, so please be very careful, okay? There are too many guys out there, even on Instagram. It's crazy, guys. Be careful. I have a lot of students who got fucked by them before because they thought it was me, but be careful, guys. Check the link in the description. This is the only way you can reach out to me, all right? So, what was happening yesterday? First of all, let's check the chart on SP500. This is the 15-minute chart, as you can see. We had, this was the New York session, right? This was the New York session in here. This was the New York session. So London was pretty, like, we've built this liquidity in here, like this equal lows. This is liquidity. Then we have some liquidity sitting in here and sitting in here, plus this imbalance in here. My idea was to get a buy entry somewhere below these lows. So I waited. I was watching the chart, waited for the market to go through all these lows, and then I was looking for, like, on this one, on the first one, I took an aggressive entry as soon as I saw that it was going through the lows pretty sharp on this candle in here. You see that? Let's get into a little bit lower time frames. Let's check the 5-minute chart for a second. So as soon as they slapped here, I was starting to pulling my positions into the market. Unfortunately, this trade was like pretty much ranging up in a nice bullish channel, but more consolidation channel, and I was thinking about getting out of this trade, and I took a little bit risk off the table while I saw this thing is not really pushing, not really moving. I was trying to aim these double tops in here that you will see on the even a little bit smaller time frame. We had a double top in here, double top in here, and this was my targets to aim for, and then maybe take out yesterday's low as well. But it was not really going anywhere, so I was really thinking about closing it, and I told you that I was thinking about closing it. At the end, I was holding it now because I mean, you have this internal fight with your emotions, like, yeah, I took that risk and I know what I'm risking, and man, if I'm gonna close it and it will run, I will be so upset. So let's take the risk, fuck it, let the market tell me if I'm right or wrong. And so I decided to leave it running and got stopped out, unfortunately. But as soon as I got stopped out in here, we had a strong move on the 1 minute, guys. I saw a pretty aggressive push. As you can see, market was coming down, and then we had this 3 big blue candles, and I was like, all right, guys, this was the stop on. They pulled so many buys into the market. You see that? They put so many buys into the market. Then with this sharp movement to the downside, they just fucked them up. And then I was like, okay, let's give it a second try, because I normally do that, like, if I'm getting stopped out, but I think my idea is still right. My objection for the day is still right, so I'm giving it another try, So I gave it another try. waited for that news event. It was kicking in hard, guys, and then we really need to go to the lower time frames, the 30-second shot, because this was so quick, man. I had my finger on the trigger because it was crazy. So I was getting into this position, okay? Then I was loading it up here and here when it came back. And then when it was here, I was moving my stop in here. So I reduced the risk and loaded up some more positions, right? But I gave it a little bit air to breathe because I knew it could stop hunt this equal lows in here. And look what happened when the news event started. They faked out the sellers. I didn't got stopped out. Market was moving strong to the upside, and this is where I got out. I got out in here, in here, in here, in here, in here, because I had all positions, and it takes some time to get out of these positions. So I was getting out, getting out. Market slapped back, would have stopped me out. So I was so lucky, man. But look what it did after that, guys. It was just moving through my targets that I had initially, but as soon as the news event started to kick in, of course I got scared. You see this big blue candle, you take profits, because you know what news events always do, as I told you in the last videos, guys. Most of the time they go one way, they go the other way, they come back. Like sometimes they do it even twice, like fuck everybody up, you know. And yeah, I was pretty lucky yesterday. I have to tell you that I was pretty lucky. Overall, I'm up around 2 million since the start of the year, which is around more than 30%, of course. Yeah, more than 30%. Yeah. In just 1.5 months, guys. It's pretty amazing. And I'm sure you can do that as well, guys. Maybe not 30, but 10% a month, 20% a month is a realistic goal if you know how to play this game, guys. And if you want, I can help you with that. That's not a problem. I got the game plan prepared for you guys. And then you can, if you have the skill set down, if you master that skill set, guys, you can go to a funding firm like FTMO or MyForex Funds. There are a couple of very good prop trading firms out there who capitalize skilled traders, guys. So if you want to make a career path out of it, you don't even need to risk your own money. If you have the skill set down, guys, and just imagine you trade a $400,000 account, you make 10% on average per month, that's 40 grand, and you get 80% of that, that's 32,000, guys, a month. Show me a normal job where you can make this in a month, guys. I don't know. I don't have a job like trading, guys. Trading is that shit. Yeah, man, I'm excited, guys. If you want to become prop traders, let me know, guys. I will help you to get there. I have the game plan, I have the strategies, I have everything prepared for you. Just drop me a message, guys, and I will show you how we trade the markets, how I trade the markets, how my students trade the markets. And then you maybe get one day into this inner circle group chat where you can connect to all the traders from our team who are sharing their trading ideas. I mean, look at that. They're sharing their trading ideas in here, discuss everything, you know. They're sharing their results. I mean, he had a good day, made 28,000, Philly. Oh, damn, that's great. He made like 1,400 in a day. What else do we got, man? We got some more in here, guys. Let me show you some. She made 2,700. Then what else do we have? 200 in here. And yeah, these guys helping out each other, man. It's crazy. Martin, he has 112,000 US dollar running. He is crazy. He's a beast, man. And he helps everybody inside of the group. Charisma as well. She's killing US30, guys. It's crazy. And of course, my man Donald is really a beast when it comes to trading, guys. Let me show you his result. I think I've shared it in the free Telegram channel as well. This is Martin Nail. Poppy Pips made some profit as well, 140 pips on his position. What else do we have? Let me show you, man. These guys are posting in here every day. It's crazy, man. He only risked 5K, and look what he got at the end of the day, guys. Whoa, 50,000 deposit and 92,000 profit for February. It's just 17 days, and he posted this on a 2 weeks of trading, guys. That's crazy, man. And Vitaly is in the team for 2 years already as well. He's sharing his trades as well, and he's making a shitload of money, guys. I'm telling you, that's crazy. If you're still watching from the sideline, guys, get involved with the Genius Trading team and learn how to make money, guys. I'm telling you. Hit me up on Telegram. Wish you all the best. Have a great day and peace out. Every time I, my body, you know.